So the next step now is step number 12. Here they say we need to use any additional design or any formatting style to improve the appearance of the newsletter. That is changing font color, etc. Okay, so this is an example. So it's definitely up to you what you do with your work from here. Okay, but basically you're done with everything that they expect to see from you. So you can adjust your newsletter by changing the height of the images, by changing the text, if you feel like, even the spacing. For example, I don't think this spacing here is good, so I can change this to this, but no, that one does not really do the job. I want to make this 2. Okay, change this to 2. Okay, and then after change this to 12. Okay, 12, so that there is enough space between the two. I also think that this one must be bold. Okay, yeah, I think that is much better. Article color, I'm not really sure about having this as black. Let's change this to no, we just want we want to change this, not that one. Why is it changing the okay, wait, we want to change the okay, undo this, Control Z. I don't wanna highlight that like that, so I wanna change the color to let's see, I think this one can work. And then remember, if you decide to do that, make sure that you also do the same thing. Okay, here. Okay, I think that one is much better. But I think overall everything looks fine. I can also change the spacing here. I'm not happy with this spacing here. I can change this to 1.5. But I think, yeah, I think 1.5 is fine. You can change the text size here to 10 or 11. Let's see. Still okay, I think 11 works better. I just wanted this South Africa to be on the other side, but anyways, even like this, it's much better. And then you can save your newsletter. So you're basically done with this assignment, and as you can see, this really looks good. Okay,